When it comes to off-road adventures, the right set of tires can make or break your experience. Whether you're tearing through forest trails on an ATV, all-terrain vehicle, or hauling gear across rugged terrain in a UTV, utility task vehicle, your tires are the crucial link between machine and earth. While these vehicles may appear similar at a glance, the tires designed for each serve distinct purposes and are engineered with different priorities in mind. This guide explores the key differences between ATV and UTV tires, using targeted comparison titles to highlight what matters most for riders and owners. Load capacity. Which tires handle more weight? One of the most significant differences between ATV and UTV tires is their load capacity. UTVs are generally larger, heavier, and built to carry more passengers and cargo than ATVs. As a result, UTV tires are engineered to support greater weight, often featuring reinforced sidewalls and stronger materials. This increased load capacity ensures that UTV tires can handle the demands of utility work, towing, and transporting multiple riders. In contrast, ATV tires are typically lighter and designed for a single rider, prioritizing agility over sheer strength. This makes them ideal for quick maneuvers and spirited riding, but less suitable for heavy loads. Tire size and dimensions. Bigger isn't always better. Size matters, but not always in the way you might expect. UTV tires are usually larger in both diameter and width compared to ATV tires. This increase in size helps distribute the vehicle's weight more evenly, providing better flotation over soft terrain and improving stability at higher speeds. However, bigger isn't always better. ATV tires are smaller and narrower, which contributes to their nimble handling and ability to navigate tight trails. The choice between larger UTV tires and more compact ATV tires ultimately depends on the intended use and the type of terrain you plan to conquer. Tread pattern and traction. Tread pattern is a critical factor in off-road performance, and here the differences between ATV and UTV tires become even more apparent. UTV tires often feature less aggressive, more stable tread designs that prioritize consistent traction and control, especially when carrying heavy loads or traversing uneven ground. ATV tires, on the other hand, are known for their aggressive lugs and deep treads designed to dig into mud, sand, or loose dirt for maximum grip. This makes ATVs more adept at tackling challenging terrain at speed, while UTVs excel in maintaining stability and control, even when fully loaded. Ply rating and durability. Durability is a top concern for any off-road enthusiast, and ply rating is a key indicator of a tire's toughness. UTV tires generally have higher ply ratings, often 6 ply or even 8 ply, making them more resistant to punctures and able to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. This added strength is essential for utility tasks and rough environments. ATV tires, while still durable, typically have lower ply ratings to keep weight down and maintain flexibility. This makes them less puncture-resistant than UTV tires, but better suited for quick, responsive handling. Intended use, utility versus agility. The core design philosophy behind ATV and UTV tires reflects the vehicle's intended uses. UTV tires are built with utility in mind, focusing on durability, load-bearing capacity, and stability. These tires are perfect for farm work, hunting, or any situation where carrying cargo is a priority. In contrast, ATV tires are crafted for agility and recreational riding. Their lighter weight and aggressive tread patterns make them ideal for riders who crave speed and the thrill of navigating challenging trails. Understanding your primary use case is crucial when choosing between the two. Pressure and comfort. Ride quality compared. Tire pressure plays a significant role in ride comfort and handling. UTV tires, designed for heavier vehicles and loads, often require higher operating pressures to maintain their shape and performance. This can result in a firmer ride, especially over rough terrain. ATV tires, with their lighter construction, can operate at lower pressures, providing a softer, more cushioned ride that absorbs bumps and shocks more effectively. The difference in ride quality is noticeable, with ATVs offering a more comfortable experience for solo riders, while UTVs prioritize stability and safety for multiple occupants. Terrain specialization. Which tire excels where? Both ATV and UTV tires are available in specialized designs tailored for specific terrains, such as mud, sand, rocks, or hard-packed trails. However, the effectiveness of these tires varies based on vehicle type. ATV tires, with their aggressive tread and lighter weight, excel in mud and loose terrain, allowing riders to power through obstacles with ease. UTV tires, while also available in terrain-specific patterns, are optimized for stability and control, making them better suited for mixed or unpredictable conditions where carrying capacity and safety are paramount. Choosing the right tire for your environment can dramatically improve performance and enjoyment. Lifespan and maintenance. Longevity in the field. Tire lifespan is influenced by factors such as tread design, ply rating, and the type of terrain encountered. UTV tires, with their robust construction and higher ply ratings, generally offer longer service life, especially when used for utility tasks. They are less prone to punctures and wear, making them a cost-effective choice for frequent or heavy-duty use. ATV tires, while durable, may wear out more quickly under aggressive riding conditions due to their softer compounds and lighter build. Regular maintenance, such as checking for cracks, punctures, and tread wear, is essential for both types to maximize longevity and safety. Cost and value. When it comes to cost, UTV tires are typically more expensive than their ATV counterparts. This price gap is driven by the increased size, higher ply ratings, and more durable materials required to support heavier vehicles and demanding workloads. While ATV tires are generally more affordable, the lower price reflects their lighter construction and focus on agility rather than utility. For buyers, it's important to weigh the initial investment against the expected lifespan and performance benefits. In many cases, spending more upfront on UTV tires can lead to savings over time due to reduced maintenance and longer replacement intervals. Interchangeability. Can you swap ATV and UTV tires? Despite some similarities in appearance, ATV and UTV tires are not interchangeable. Differences in size, load rating, and tread design mean that swapping tires between these vehicles can compromise safety and performance. UTV tires are simply too large and heavy for most ATVs, while ATV tires lack the strength and capacity required for UTVs. Always consult your vehicle's specifications and manufacturer recommendations before considering any tire changes. Using the correct tire type ensures optimal handling, safety, and longevity for both your vehicle and your tires. In summary, while ATV and UTV tires may share some common ground, they are purpose-built for very different machines and applications. Understanding these distinctions is key to selecting the right tire for your off-road adventures, whether you prioritize speed and agility or stability and utility. By considering factors like load capacity, tread pattern, durability, and cost, you can make an informed choice that enhances both your vehicle's performance and your overall riding experience.